M0FXB. Let's add our hotspot frequency to our Kenwood D75. This is the DV Mega hotspot, just in case you're curious. And we set it on 433.550 frequency. First thing you want to do is make sure you're in VFO mode. So at the moment, if I press number 1, I'm in VFO. If you're already in memory, so there's memory, look, you'll see the channel numbers and you'll be able to turn through channels if you've added a few. So to go into VFO, press number 1. Then to go into DR mode, just so you know, press digital. But come out of that for now. So press it again. Stay in VFO mode. First thing you're going to do is go menu. Just here where it says low, menu. Then you're going to navigate to where it says memory at the top there. Go left and up. Press enter when you get to memory. Now, there's lots of places you can add memories, but with the D75, they added a new thing. They added a list called hotspot list because they know that lots of people have got multiple hotspots. So press enter if you've never used this before, and you press enter, it says view list, and then press enter again, and there's nothing, okay? But that's fine because we're going to add something. Then press menu. Now, if you'd already created a list, you could do edit and move and add. But we're going to just select add. So go up with the up arrow, and you get to add, press add. And now we're going to start adding our hotspot. So first thing is name. And we can start turning the top knob, which hopefully you can just about see, until we see H. You know, you're going to give it a name. It doesn't actually matter what the name is. Okay, we'll just call it hot for now. Enter. You don't need to give it a sub name. I'm not going to do it now, but if you want to, you could say this is my DV Mega hotspot. You know, you could say that. Whatever makes it easier for you to recognize. Now, this next bit is important. You want call sign. Now, the other bit I'll show you at the end is how to get your call sign into the radio, because without your call sign being in the radio, nothing's going to work via D-Star. So, call sign, enter. Now, my call sign is M, and then go across to the right, turn it back, 0, F, X, we'll get there, B, okay, B. Then keep pressing your right hand arrow until you can't move it anymore. Then put in a B, okay? Now I'm pretty sure that B means 70 centimeters, but anyway, B, okay? B, enter, you've done that. Now turn the top volume knob again, or channel knob, one click, and it's going to ask for the gateway address. And the nice thing about this, if we press enter, it's just exactly the same, but this time we just put a G at the end. M, 0, okay, F, X, B, all the way across, but this time G, enter. We've got that bit in, so we've got M0FXB B, M0FXB G. Turn one more click to the right, ignore lockout, one more click, frequency, enter. So put a 0 in first, then go 433, the dots there, 55000. That's the frequency done. One more click to the right with the channel. Shift, you definitely have to always have a shift. So you go enter, plus or minus does not matter. Then one more click to the right with the channel knob. Now you want the offset. Just put in a load of zeros. So enter, a load of zeros. You've got a shift in. we're not using a repeater, we're using a hotspot. We don't need a shift. It's a simplex hotspot. So turn channel knob to the right. Ignore that. We're not going to do that now. We're not going to put in location now because we're keeping this nice and simple, but you could put your location in. You could put in your UTC. We're not doing that because I want to keep this simple. Once you've done it, press the, see it says right here. Press right. And look, now you've got hotspot in your radio, this hotspot. So back out. And then keep going back with the mode, then go menu. You'll go back into VFO. Make sure you're in VFO mode because it's only in VFO mode you're going to be able to select digital. Now, I know it's already got it there, but if you can't find the word hot, you see the way it says hot? Hold it down, yeah? Go to hotspot list, enter, and then select it. And it puts it there. At the top, if you want to connect to a reflector, hold the arrow up. Up. Go to a reflector. See it here? Reflector. Enter. Then go down one to link to reflector. Enter. And let's keep it simple. So we've got reflectors there. We don't have to use reflectors. We can use DCS, XRF, XLX. Keep it simple. Let's do 1 Charlie. So go across with the right. Turn the knob to number 1. One more click to the right. Charlie. And so you've got reflector 1 Charlie. Enter. So now when I key, hopefully the hotspot here will recognize it. And if I let go, it will connect. Turn it up. And you will hear it connect. If you don't worry too much. Just try again. Okay, so that's 433.550 and we are connected. Once it says to you, you are connected, yeah, then you can hold it up. Again, you can go to, if you want, just to find out what you're connected to, you could go to, where is it? Normally you get information. I can't see it at the moment. Okay, let's just go to reflector. There it is there. Now we'll go to reflector info, enter. We can key up and it will tell you if you're connected.
2REF001 Charlie.
So what it's saying, it's trying to link, yeah? That's what it's trying to do, okay? That's what it just told you. So, but to actually link, you saw, but to actually talk, you have to hold it up. Reflector, but this time you've got to select use reflector. If you don't select use reflector, no one's going to hear you. And then you can go, when you're connected, M0FXB, calling for a contact. And that's it. That's how you add it. And I'll just quickly show you the configuration page of my Pi-Star. There's my Pi-Star page. Okay, now look at the information here. That's the hotspot talking. M0FXB, G, it says not linked at the moment. Configuration page. And then if I scroll up, we just selected D star. Those 2 blue dots should be ticked. Up further, and this is what we put in, look. Okay, most of this you should already have if you've got to the point where you need to get it in your radio. Frequency. Okay, and then the actual hotspot that I'm using. Now, sometimes I find, see the way it hasn't connected, just go to configuration again, go to power and go to reboot. And I find that if you do that, it will connect.
2REF001.
There you are, it's connected. It's someone's talking there, M0RUT, but didn't keep talking. M0FXB audio check, M0FXB calling for an audio check. You see my information there, but this works exactly the same.
M0FXB, this is M1BBV. You're coming through absolutely fantastic, mate. No problems at all.
There you are.
From M1BBV.
M1BBV. A couple of seconds pause. M1BBV. Oh, thanks so much. Just testing my D75. Thank you very much. M0FXB Andreas Western Supermare.
Yes, for myself, Icon ID52, which I'm just using now.
That's the dashboard.
very coincidental, to say the least. But yeah, I've got it up and running. I'm running it to a little zoom spot in my house, which is
sorted. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.